Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to study about arithmetic operators. So in mathematics, um, just hold on. Let me start this program first. Then here you go. So in this video we are going to study about arithmetic operators. And let me make a comment here. And in this comment, I'm going to teach you the arithmetic operators signs. So the first is addition. We use this, and for subtraction we use the minus sign. For multiplication we use this sign, and for division we use this sign. Now, with all the programs where I know all the programs I know is that they use these signs. Well, not all of them, but the ones I know, the ones which use logics. Alright? Now, I hope now you understand about arithmetic operators. Let's get into practice here. Now, I'm going to show you an example. Let's say you have a number 1, and this number 1 is 10 large, and num 2, that is 20 large. So, and 20, and the result is going to be the addition of these both. Number 1, and we have a problem here. We had to add integer because they are an integer numbers. My apologies. Now, here you have to add number 1. We use our addition sign, and then we say num2, and now to play this on our output we have to use the play type functions. We'll say the result d, which is a type specifier, and we'll write our variable name result here. Then the sum of d and d is d. Now we'll write our variable names num1, num2, and num1, num2, num3, and now well result, and return 0 here. It should be working. The sum of t is 30. See, the sum of then this and this, number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2 is equal to this. Now it should be a lot clearer now. Yeah, the sum of number 1 is 10 and number 2 is 20, so it's equal to 30. Okay, now you can also subtract them. You can subtract them. Let's say the subtraction, or just let's make it very simple. Let's just say d and then we'll pinch the result here. In this -10, you can multiply them with a sign I just show you. You can divide them. Now I have to go and I have to do more work, but for now this was the basic of the arithmetic expressions. So what I will recommend you is that keep practicing, and practicing is the key to learn something, alright? So yeah, you practice, and uh, as you know the basics of arithmetic expressions of letters, what I will do is that the next video I will make a calculator program, so you can follow me up and you can learn how to make a calculator program. So